I'm Bree. I'm a second year graduate student at Gonzaga University in their Communication and Leadership program. Today, as you can see, I'm in my own home in front of my kitchen table, about to enjoy a nice little meal and take a load off for the day. But not everybody is so lucky. Some people have to take low paying, no benefits jobs and work very long hours, often on the other side of these meals. That's when an organization called Big Table steps in. Big Table is an organization committed to building community around food and to serve the underserved and those who typically serve us. Still a young organization, Big Table, built only 6 years ago, is still trying to make itself a household name in Spokane, Washington. Today I was lucky enough to go down to Big Table and speak with the people that make Big Table what it is. I'm happy to show you and share with you through this multimedia project exactly what I learned about Big Table.